Alright, so that's it for the oil change, and next is the cabin filter. So I'm gonna pull my car out so I have more room. For the cabin filter, you have to go under the glove box on the passenger side. Alright, so for the cabin filter, there's 3 things you need to remove. There's one here, one there, right there. I already removed that one because it was hard to film. It's one of these Torx. It says CRVT 15, and for the 2 I showed earlier, it is a 8mm. I just discovered that there's a speaker here and a cigarette jack way down there. So I removed that one, and so this should just come out. Inside there, if you look closely, there's a tab right there that you can push and the cover should flip open like that, and the filter is in there. We got a problem. They're not the same size, so I'll look into that real quick. Alright, so I did a little research, and the ones that were in there were the wrong ones, and the one I got are the correct ones. So whoever did this before put the wrong ones in there. And another lesson to show that when you get a used car, you do all the maintenance even if you don't need to, because you never know when you might find things like this. Note the arrow is pointing towards the back of the car, and that's the way it goes in, so it would go in like this. So another tip, because there's not enough room to get the filter in there, I removed this air duct. It's held on by one screw right there, and you pull away from the car towards the firewall, and it should come out, and that will give you enough room to put the filter in. And here I'm struggling to put the filter back in. The way it's designed makes it really difficult. I can see why the previous owner put smaller filters in there, but I did eventually get it in. You just need to be patient and try to align the filter as much as possible to the hole. This was by far the worst cabin filter I've ever done, but hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.